Kubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Menteri katana jong akai perthai ba polling do ne kasngi habaya kanan bikinong thok khubor halor ka jingpen jalan ya ka samoy traikam jong ki artali ki district council ka KHADC bat ka GHADC loang bakani ka dei hadian biki district council kle kandu ya ka sarkar habaya dei ba ka jingpen ben ya ki constituency nakalyang uba pol la benrap da ka baong baki don ki constituency ki babun briu ki don ru ki badan duna ki briu ki bathap vote banla mantrai kam ka de bandan ka jingshai halor ka jingdon ki briu ki bathap vote ha ko constituency ulo ongru bahi ki snam bala dam kaladan ka jing penjlan ya ka GHADC ha ka por Dr. Mukul Sangma.
Well, I think this was obviously with reference to the fact that last year the state government has already been approached by the district councils for the much needed revision and redefinition of the various constituencies. As you are aware, some of these constituencies have voters of roughly 15,000 to 19,15. But there are some constituencies which have 3 times that number. So in all fairness, if an MDC is to deliver, at least there should be a certain amount of parity, and the same MDC should also be able to, in order to enable him to represent the people adequately, there should be some parity, at least in the number of voters of each of the constituencies. Well, they are entitled to their opinions. All I can say is that this is not unprecedented. In the past, the Garo Hills, the GHADC, has had 2 years of extension when Dr. Mukul Sangma was the chief minister. So an extension of 6 months, when you compare to what was done in the past, an extension of 2 years is certainly relatively a very brief period.
Habaya dei ba ka jingpen kre election MP uba polling do ulaya thu ba ka seng kalaya chakman bat ki don ka jingkerman makin le abha hakani ka election ula benrap da ka baong ba ka RDA kalai kran ya shibun ki man ki badan kaman pensngau shikipat ba jong ka jela.
Party has already started moving in the right direction. Various constituency committees are meeting, and the candidate is touring various parts already. He has visited West Khas Hills in the past 1 week, and we hope that we should be able to complete his taking part in various meetings within the prescribed time by the Election Commission.
What are the issues that the UDP and under the RDA are going to the people to seek their support to ensure that this time candidate from the regional force will get to represent the voice of the people of Meghalaya in Parliament?
Well, various issues have already been spelled out by our candidate at the when he was declared as the official candidate. Those issues are very vital, and we are fortunate that we have been able to select the best possible issues which are relevant to the Lok Sabha. And that apart, since 2 major regional parties have come together under this alliance, and also at a time when the aspirations of regional parties is going to be a major focal point of the Lok Sabha elections, we are very optimistic that our candidate will save.